Hi guys, Ipsita here. Welcome back to my channel. So in my video, A Day in Life of a Business Analyst, I received amazing responses from you guys. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll link it down here or maybe here. So go and check it out. A lot of you had many questions regarding how to land a job in that field. So here is this video especially for you guys. I have mentioned the timestamps of the different sections of this video in the description below, and you guys can head over there and scroll over to that section. If you guys want to sit through the entire video, do grab a cup of coffee or tea to soak in all the information and enjoy it. Business analysts are people who analyze different businesses and provide insights into your business. We come from different backgrounds, so there is no specific path that you need to follow in order to become a business analyst. The first skill that you need to know is time management skills. Because in the life of a business analyst, we work on multiple projects with multiple people, different stakeholders, as well as different clients as well. So you need to prioritize and schedule your day accordingly. And this skill can be inculcated. Now the trick to learning this skill is that if you are a fresher, make sure you join different societies, different extracurricular activities in your college. That way you will learn how to prioritize your college work as well as perform your extracurricular activities too. So that is how you learn time management. Secondly, you have to be a good listener. So as a business analyst, you cater to the needs of your client. As a business analyst, you need to deliver what the client wants. You need to tailor your storylines according to what they need rather than what you want. Thirdly, you have to be a very good communicator. So communication skills are very important for a business analyst, say it verbal or written. Every project comes with different doubts and challenges, and only if you are a good communicator, you can get your point across to the team. The fourth most important skill is that you need to be attentive to details, because it's your job to research and draw insights and present them to your stakeholder. The fifth skill that you must have is more like a prerequisite to this job. So you need to be good in analytical and logical thinking. So by analytical and logical thinking, I don't mean simple arithmetic. So many people have this misconception. It's more like how you dive into the problem and how you come up with solutions to figure it out. The sixth skill that you need to have is you need to be good in documentation. So many of you guys might not love documenting, but it's a very important step, trust me. You need to have your findings documented properly so that the next person that comes or the stakeholders, when they read through the reports, they get a sense of what is being performed and what are the key insights that you have seen. The most important skill that you need to have is that you have to be tech savvy. By tech savvy, I don't mean you need to be from an engineering background or so, but you need to know what's happening in the world and be up to date with the new technologies that are coming up so that you can apply that to your work and perform your best. The last skill is creativity, of course, because you need to be creative in your ways to find a problem, approach a solution, and deliver those visualizations and deliver your findings to the client. Acing the interview is a question that I have got over and over again. The first thing that you need to know is about yourself, because you'll be selling yourself to the company, right, to hire you. So that is very much important that you know yourself. Get to know yourself first and draft a resume. The first resume that you draft is never your final resume. Take insights from your friends and family to figure out who you are as a person. Secondly, many teams prefer that the candidate they hire are active in their role. So how do you express activeness in your resume? Show them that you are a part of different extracurricular clubs and societies in your college. That way you can highlight responsibility, accountability and multitasking in your resume. Thirdly, what all technical stuff do you need to know? There are 4 things that you need to know. Firstly is Microsoft Office. This is something which many people overlook. Secondly, it's basic SQL because you will be querying out a lot of information from the data and you need to know SQL to query out your data. Thirdly, a good programming language to detangle data like R, SAS or Python. Fourthly, you need to know data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, Alteryx and so on. Then research on the profile that you are applying to, research on the company that you are applying to, research on the business. All this can be found in the job description part of the profile, and make sure that you know what's happening in the business side of things.
So there are a few other things that you need to keep in mind when you go for your interview. Always be prepared for a group discussion round in case the number of candidates are high. An interviewer might ask you case studies so as to understand your thinking process. And obviously there will be questions on projects and your work experience.
This is one of the hottest jobs out there in the market right now because every company, every organization needs a business analyst. It's a very good and safe career option and it has great benefits and perks too. The learning curve of this job profile is really good. There are 3 major types of business analyst roles that are available in the market. First is the IT systems analyst. Second are functional business analysts. Third are data analysts. So you can choose any of these 3 career paths as a business analyst. I have collated all the questions that you have asked and I have grouped the similar questions and here are the answers to them. So firstly, a lot of you have asked the question of how much coding is required in this profile. You don't need to code that much. The only coding that you need to do is when you're querying out information and doing some data cleaning. The second question which I got a lot from you guys are that do you need to be an engineer first and then get into this job profile? The answer is no. Because I have many colleagues who are general Bachelor of Science graduates, who are Bachelor of Arts graduates and who have even pursued commerce. Third question is a very good question. One of you guys asked me like how different is it from a software engineering profile. As a software engineer, your goal is to develop a new product. But as a business analyst, you need to work on the existing data that is present and provide key insights to your stakeholders. I hope that answers your question. The fourth question is really fun and I think most of you guys have this question at the back of your minds. It's related to how much salary business analysts make in India. Guys, I can't quote the exact number because salary of a business analyst is dependent on various factors like the revenue that your company generates, the sector you are in, the team you are in, the business that you cater to. So a lot of factors come into play here. A hint for you guys is that it's somewhat comparable to what a software engineer would make in the same organization working for the same department. So those were all the things that you need to know in order to become a business analyst. I hope this video proved informational for you guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to keep the knowledge flowing. Do comment down below if you guys have any comments and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!